Azure DevOps Server, formerly known as Team Foundation Server or TFS, is a self-hosted, on-premises version of Microsoft's cloud-based DevOps platform, Azure DevOps Services, previously known as Visual Studio Team Services or VSTS. Azure DevOps Server provides a set of integrated tools for software development, continuous integration and continuous delivery, CI/CD, version control, project management, and collaboration. Key features of Azure DevOps Server include version control. Azure DevOps Server supports both Git and Team Foundation version control, TFVC, for source code management. Git is a distributed version control system, while TFVC is a centralized version control system. Work item tracking. It offers a flexible work item tracking system to manage tasks, bugs, features, and other development artifacts. You can customize work item types, fields, and workflows to match your team's process. Build and release pipelines. Azure DevOps Server enables you to create build and release pipelines to automate the build, testing, and deployment processes. This allows you to implement continuous integration, CI, and continuous deployment, CD, practices. Test management. It provides tools for test planning, test case management, and execution. You can create test plans, test suites, and manage test results. Reporting and analytics. Azure DevOps Server offers built-in reporting capabilities to gain insights into team performance, code quality, and project progress. Reports and dashboards provide visibility into various aspects of the development lifecycle. Integration with Microsoft tools. As a Microsoft product, Azure DevOps Server integrates seamlessly with Visual Studio IDE and other Microsoft tools, making it convenient for .NET and Microsoft technology-focused development teams. Extensions and Marketplace. Azure DevOps Server supports extensions that can be installed to add new features and integrations. The Azure DevOps Marketplace provides a wide range of extensions created by Microsoft and third-party developers. It's important to note that Azure DevOps Server is installed and managed on-premises by organizations that prefer to host their development infrastructure internally rather than using Azure DevOps Services, cloud-based SaaS. As technology and products evolve, Microsoft might have introduced new features or changes to Azure DevOps Server. To get the most up-to-date information and explore the current capabilities, please refer to the official Microsoft documentation or Azure DevOps website.